Hi friends, it's Ms. Mozingo here. I know I sound awful, and I am feeling better, but I just wanted to say hi to everybody and say let's get started with our Friday circle time. Are you ready? Let's stand up and say the pledge together. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Put our hand up, we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. Excellent job. And I see at the Seeley House, they're all joining in and saying the school pledge. Great job. Excellent job, Seeleys. All right, let's take a look at the date. Today is the 20th of March. We have the 21st on Saturday and the 22nd on Sunday. And we'll be back here for our preschool online Monday, and hopefully my voice will be joining us. Let's sing our Days of the Week song so we can figure out what day today is. Ready to sing? Here we go. Monday and there's Monday, Tuesday and there's Wednesday, Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Your turn. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week. And today is the 20th, so it is Friday, March 20th, 2020. My goodness, March is flying by. We said today it was going to be sunny, and it's sun. There's also some clouds out there, so we're going to make it partly sunny. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have? What do you think? Oh, I heard sunny again. Another sunny prediction. That sounds nice for a Saturday. So we'll put sunny right there. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Perfect. Let's count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We made it. All right, counting backwards. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's find some colors. How about if we find pink? Where's that pink? Do you see it? There it is. Does anybody remember what that horse's name is? Pinkie Pie. That's exactly right. How about red? Where's red? Here it is. Red is who? Anger. That's right. Is it okay to be angry? Yes. Is it okay to hit when we're angry? No. Is it okay to say mean things when we're angry? No. But it is okay to feel anger and to talk about feeling angry. How about a shape? Let's find a square. Where's the square? Here it is. What color is that square? Brown. And how about a triangle? You see the triangle? Yeah, here it is. There it is. What color? Orange. Perfect. Our nursery rhyme today for the last time, because this is our second week with it, is a tisket, a tasket. Let's say it together. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pockets. All right, let's see if we can pull this video up.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket. Tasket, green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. A tasket, I lost my yellow basket. I dropped it, dropped it. Now won't you help me find it? My basket, my green and yellow basket, my green and yellow basket. Now won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it?
All right. We do love that song. And next week we will have a new nursery rhyme. I hope you like just as much. Looking at our coins. What is this one? Penny. And it is brown, so we know it's different than all the rest. How about this one down here? Quarter. Here. Dime. And this one is a nickel. Excellent. This number is the number 8, 1, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5. And our letter this week is the letter M. Rub that tummy, make that sound for me. Like Moana and Mickey Mouse and Captain Marvel all start with the letter M. So we can get our song going.
Where do you start your letters? At the top? Where do you start your letters? At the top? If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to start it at the top.
Here we go.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you wanna start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Here we go.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Oz.
Reach up.
Way
up. Is that the top? Yes,
it's the top.
Reach up and touch the top.
Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom.
Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3,
4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
And your eyes. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top, going
Is
down.
this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
All right, we're going to get ready to build the letter M. All right, let's build the letter M. We're going to grab a big line, put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We're going to grab another big line and make it into a slide. So we have a big slide down. We're going to grab another big line and make it into a slide up. And then we're going to have a big line down. So when we make it, ready? Hands in lap. Inside voices off. Listening ears on. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. All right, one more time. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. Hands in lap. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. All right, your turn. Do it with me. Here we go. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. Excellent. What letter did we make? M. What does M say? Marvelous, friends. All right. So I hope to see you back for music and story time. I heard Emma really liked the story so much that she fell asleep. So that's wonderful to hear. I'm so happy that everyone is enjoying circle time with me, because I enjoy hearing from you and seeing all the wonderful things that you're doing and how much I miss you all. I miss you, Abby, Addison, Clark, Emma, George, Gracie, Ivan, Jordan, Judah, Carly, Lily, Nalani, Paxton, Rosalind. I miss you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you on Monday for another story time. Hopefully my voice will be back. Have a great one, and join me for music and story later.